Yo, it seems like $600 stimulus checks is coming our way. So what's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we talking about a very, very popular subject, especially here in the United States. Stimulus checks. All right, the economy is still struggling. People still out of work. People still, getting unemployment. Right? People still struggling with back rent. All kinds of stuff going on. Right? It's actually ridiculous, man. Like, I ain't gonna lie. So United States is one of the countries that's like lagging with actually helping their citizens financially. It's like we're being like the laughing stock of the world right now because a lot of other countries been giving, like Canada been giving people $2,000 a month for several months. Other countries have been giving their citizens up to 87% of their full pay. Other countries have just given, like I said, supplemental income just to help their people get by during this pandemic. The United States so far has only given people like $1,200 checks one time, $1,200 checks several months ago. And now finally, like a week before Christmas, it looks like they came to an agreement that they're going to give everybody $600. And I think if you got kids, you get $600, another $600, whatever, for every kid, I believe. So here's the thing. This is a Make Money Online channel. So the question is, what are you going to do with this $600 stimulus? Now, of course, if you're watching this and you're like, back rent or unemployed, you're not getting unemployment or whatever the situation is, you're probably gonna be like, dude, it's a dumb question. All right, you know what I'm doing with this money? I'm paying bills, or I'm doing this, or I'm whatever, paying some credit cards or whatever. But here's what I'm gonna say, right? If you can at all, out of that $600, if you can afford to take $100 or $50 out of that and put it towards something else, right, that can make you more money, right? And I've talked about this even with the first, stimulus check months ago. I'm like, I get it. Like, I got bills and all that stuff. But I did take time to like invest in like different little programs or even courses that can teach me how to make more money or invest in certain things that can make me money in the long run. And this is what I think people, if you can do it, this is why you should do it. Because you see what's going on and you see how our government at least treated our citizens when it came to this pandemic. They're pretty much like giving you as little as possible to survive. But if you can create something where you don't have to necessarily depend on the government, right? And you can have your own thing going, whether it's like selling stuff online or you being an affiliate marketer or you got your own, you're a freelance or whatever it is, something that can generate another income besides your typical 9 to 5 or whatever. You know what I'm saying? You see, you need to do stuff like that now. So yes, there's courses and programs out there that cost $1,000, $2,000, right? But do you need that? No, you don't. There's so many opportunities out there for people to make money online or make money from home or whatever. And if you can, with the stimulus, try to take, even if it's $50 or whatever, try to buy some books, buy a course off of Udemy, right? Take some time, really go into YouTube and figure out, learn a new skill, right? And then apply the skill. So that way, if anything ever happened again in the future, you'll be one of the people like, I don't care about a stimulus. I got money. If I get a stimulus, it's dope. You know what I'm saying? But you don't need it because you have other streams of income coming. If you watch my videos, I'm all about multiple streams of income. I'm trying to build up multiple streams of income. And everybody should, to be honest with you. I don't care who you are. Sometimes you got people that's like, I got 9 to 5, I'm good, I'm happy. That's great. But you still should be having a couple extra things coming in, even if it's an extra couple $100 a month, couple thousand a month. You should have that, right? So you get that stimulus check. Like I said, I'm gonna take some of it, and I'm gonna invest it, and I'm gonna try to put it and to learn even more skills, probably put into my YouTube, because I always recommend people, you can start with YouTube for free, guys. And maybe if you were struggling, with thinking about starting YouTube, maybe take some of that money, invest in some YouTube courses. All right, they got some courses on Udemy that's like under probably 20-30 bucks. You got the course that I always talk about, Jordan Mackey's course. Now that's like I think it's like $400 or $500 right now, but it will teach you how to make a full-time income from YouTube, right? But you can take that and run with it. You know what I'm saying? Like, it don't even got to be that. It could be whatever you're into, guys. Take some time to learn something. Take some time to create another income stream or a couple income streams, guys, if you can do it. You know what I'm saying? If you can do it, I would suggest you can, because there's so many opportunities out there. So go for it. You know what I'm saying? In the description of this video, you will see several money-making opportunities that you can look at. Everything from the YouTube course to automated Cash App system, to how to become a wealthy affiliate. All of those links are down there, guys, and all of those things will definitely help you to create multiple streams of income. So take a look at it, and you'll be on your way to be able to get some extra money that way. Next, if there's hopefully not another pandemic or need for assistance, you'll be good to go. All right, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
If you're not living your life like a boss, then click the link above or below this video and find out why you should definitely have your own home business and how easy it is to start one. See you on the other side.